Look guys, I finished my sweater. Isn't it nice? I love it so much. And you know what? I didn't even block this. This is unblocked, and I don't think I'm going to block it. I think it's perfect. So this is the Stripe Hype sweater by Kutovakika. I'm not sure if I'm saying her name right. Here is all the deets. This is the first page of the pattern, so it's not giving anything away, but here is what hers looks like. And so what I did is, because I was using yarn from my stash, so I didn't have a main color yarn to make the sweater like this. So instead of doing just stripes 8 rows, I did 16 rows, and I did a variegated pattern that goes down like this. And other than that, I followed the pattern exactly. I met the gauge. I think I made a medium. I'm not sure. Let me check. No, I made a large. So I made a large. I met the gauge. I might have made it a little bit longer. Yeah, I think I had to go back and make it longer. But I cannot wait to wear this fall all the time, and I love color. I don't know, it's so bright and happy and cheerful, especially in winter when there's not a lot of color around. It just makes me really happy to wear color. Whoops, I'm knocking over. I love it. So I'm gonna live in this all winter, and I already plan to make another one. I have a lot of like brown, green, earth tone color yarns, and I want to cast on. And I have a bright one and have a more earthy tone one, because I also love earth tone colors. I think I love all the colors. So what about you? Would you ever make this sweater? I give it a 10 out of 10. The pattern is really easy. It is made in 2 pieces. The front and the back are knit separately, and then you bind off with the sleeves, join it around, and it's a drop sleeve sweater. So then you pick up stitches here and knit the sleeve. So I love it. I love it. This is available on Ravelry. I will leave a link in the description down below, and I will also pin a comment so you guys can buy this if you knit. I like it. So I don't know what to make next. I want actually to take those squares that I designed earlier and make a sweater out of those. I have maybe 12 squares right now, so so every time I make a square, I put it in here. I probably have a little bit more. I'm talking about these squares. I've made some with green on the inside and some with brown, and then when I ran out of, I made some red. So I want to get enough squares so that I can make a sweater for me and for Becky. She wants one too. And that's my next project. And I posted a tutorial of this crochet square, and I might post a video of me putting the sweater together. I don't know yet. We'll see how much time I have. But yeah, this is my review of the Stripe Hype sweater, and I love it so much, I'm making another one. Bye.